Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your study abroad insurance with World Nomads step by step clearly. To cancel your study abroad insurance with World Nomads, begin by visiting the World Nomads website. Log into your World Nomads account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section on the homepage. Find the policy you wish to cancel and click on it for more details. Look for the option labeled Cancel Policy. Select this option to initiate the cancellation process. Read the cancellation policy carefully, as it outlines any potential refunds or fees. If you agree to the terms, proceed by confirming your cancellation request. You may be asked to provide additional information, such as your reason for cancellation. Fill in any required fields, ensuring all information is accurate. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation email from World Nomads. Keep this email for your records, as it serves as proof of cancellation. If you do not receive confirmation within a few days, reach out to World Nomads customer support. They can assist you with any questions or concerns regarding your policy cancellation. Monitor your bank account for any refund processing, if applicable, which may take several days. Make sure to check for any communication from World Nomads regarding the status of your cancellation. By following these steps, you will successfully cancel your study abroad insurance with World Nomads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.